G Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall guy back with another one. Y'all know what time it is. Do I got to say it, man? Look at the Ram Reezy right there sitting real crazy like the hell Keezy, man. Yeah, I got a Hellcat too for those who don't know. Big blessings. Thanks to y'all, G Squad, man. Y'all changed my whole life around, man, and I really appreciate that 1,000,000%. But without further ado, let's get right to the video and talk about what we're talking about today. Today is a special kind of day. As you see, we are in front of the Audi Richfield dealership. I just got done doing like 3 different car reviews, man. The grind don't ever stop. And right now, I'm about to head to Stillwater Fury, and I'm about to get my new headlights put on the Ram Reezy. So let's get a full understanding. It is today. The headlights will be getting installed today, and y'all will see it in this video today. So make sure you stay tuned throughout this whole video, and don't skip no ass, G Squad. I greatly appreciate it, baby. But let's get right to it, man. For those who don't know, I just got done doing an Audi S5 Sportback. I did an Audi RS3, all 2018s now, and I just did the Audi TT RS. So let's get a full understanding. Come on, man. You hear the growling around Reezy? Man, let's get to it. Josh, my man, what's happening with you, champion? Everybody say what's up, fellas.
What's going on?
Yeah, man. What's happening with you, baby?
You know,
Getting to get the headlights put on. My guy right here gonna get them together for me, right, Logan?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on, man. They right there, everything over there? Let's go ahead and check everything out, man. Make sure everything up to par. These ones is gonna work though, right, Josh? These ones right here are gonna for sure work, right? We got the HIDs and these are the actual headlights. And I showed them for the people that already see. Y'all seen them already, but for those who ain't seen, there you go right there one more time for the one time. Look at that, man. Look, that's the one right there, Josh. Ain't it the one?
That's going to be the one.
That is, so during the day, it's just going to be like an Audi where it just sits on, right? And these are going to be the ones we actually have the headlights on? Yep. Come on, man. We got it. Let's get a full understanding. That's about to be top of the book. So there go the Ram Reezy itself, man. Come on, they are starting the process, getting the headlights and all that stuff put on there, man. Come on, I already got everything done. The third brake light, the tail lights, everything. Got to get the running boards put on there. Tomorrow, yeah, that's tomorrow. I'll get the running boards put on there where the door opens, pops down, shuts, goes up, all that good stuff. Already headlights already out. Oh man, y'all working on my type of time, Logan. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Man, get in and out. You know what I'm saying? No question about it, man. Look at it, it's missing the eyeballs. The eyeballs are gone. Just took it. They did the Jet Li movie, just popped the socket out. What's that? No, that's Kill Bill. I'm tripping. That's the Kill Bill when they did the Black Mamba joint and popped the eye socket out. There you go. That's it right there. Coming together though, ain't it, Josh?
Yeah. Did them license plate lamp lights, did that mess with your camera though?
No, not at all. Nope. Yeah, because no, look, this is what Josh showed me. Josh showed me, so those license plate lights that go right around the license plate, they complained. You told me that they said they're too bright when you got to look through the backup camera and all that stuff. So let me show y'all right here. So obviously backup camera here. This is Josh talking about. And the lights right here, obviously big, bright white and all that stuff. So a lot of people told him that it would mess with the. But it don't at all. It actually helps because when it's dark and it's nighttime, it brightens all the way out. So I'm actually.
I suppose you got the bright reverse lights in the LED bar though too.
Yep. So it makes a big difference. Yeah. No question about it. Let's show y'all the front too, real quick, man. Let's see with the headlight on and all that, man. Kevin, what's up, man? Say what's up to the YouTube, baby.
Hey, what's up?
Come on, man. Look at this. Look at the first headlight is done with the bright whites. Logan, appreciate it. Come on, man. This is the HID one that y'all put in there, right? Yep. So that's the HID, and obviously this comes factory like this with the strip like that, man. Come on, man. Call that the first Audi pickup truck. That's like an Audi type headlight, you know what I mean? So come on, man. Big difference, man.
You can't even see spots right now. This shit's so bright.
No, facts. It's big bright. Look at this. Look. Come on, man. It's full bright white, and then that's not even including the bright white fog light that you put in there too. Yeah. So come on, man. You put that on with that on. Come on, man. Legendary.
People would be scared, be like, who's lighting up my stuff?
Yeah, just get your ass on my way, because usually I'm in the fast lane. I ain't never.
Look. I saw this thing coming behind my truck. I fucking moved. Let's be honest.
Yeah, facts. Look at that. I got
a full-size truck too, but it ain't this big.
Right. I want it bigger now too. I guess you could never have too big, huh? Look at Logan, he like that.
Do you just remember what I told you earlier about what kind of diesel you go buying? So.
Yeah, no, tell him what you said.
Would you rather be coming or stroking?
Yeah, he said when you're looking to get that 2500, he said choose this. He said that's how you choose, Logan. He said when you get your 2500, all you gotta figure out is if you like stroking or you like coming. I said, damn, that was a good one. You know what I mean? Come on, man. Logan letting that joint down. Oh shit. You ready for this, Dave? I said, Dave, I'm over here thinking about John. I was getting names tangled up and all that. And Barry was like, oh, I need to type sitting up high like that. Or, no, that's regular. I thought it was the suspension doing that. That's just my car sitting like that. I'm sorry. Pardon me. You know, I thought that was still because of the suspension thing was holding it up.
I was surprised it didn't unload more, the suspension. I was thinking the tire,
Gonna hold it up all the way up?
Yeah, like the body would go down more, but it doesn't really.
Oh, no, it just sits legendary like that.
She must ride pretty rough.
Nah, she ride like a Maybach. You know what I mean? Go ahead and do the D's, Logan. Go ahead and start her up. Come on, man. Look at. Woo! Oh, look at that thing right there, baby. Yeah, you know what I mean? Come on, man. Look at that, man. You was right about that, Josh. I told you them headlights was the one, though. I said it, though. Them way better than the other ones. Come on.
I went through all the extra steps though to make sure they would work.
You did. You made it work. Josh is the man here at the service department here in Stillwater Ferry, for those who don't know, man. Give them the service number here, Josh. In case they want to talk to Josh, they want Josh to build the truck. Parts number. I'm sorry. Sorry, brother.
That's 651-256-8157. That's my personal direct line.
There you go. Hit up Josh.
Monday through Thursday, here from 6 to 5. Well, 7 to 5, technically.
Josh should get it done, though. You get it done for him. Don't worry.
Anything you want, I can get.
So understand now, he did the tail lights, he did the headlights, he did this, he did the interior lights. Let me show y'all, in case you're not G-Squad and you don't watch every video. Look at the bright whites right here, and then come right here. Watch this. Look now. Bright white. Look at, hold on. I ain't done there yet now. Huh? What did it say? Oh, damn. What the hell happened there? Y'all broke my shit. What happened, Josh? Who did this, Logan?
Apparently too strong for your
Yeah, I was too strong, huh? Right, damn. I don't know what the hell I done done. Logan, what the hell happened here now, brother? Yeah, I don't know what the hell. I went to go stunt, and when stunting went wrong, I blew the whole damn mook off. What the hell happened there?
Oh, it clips in.
Oh, it's a clamp?
You never tried to pretty yourself up apparently in your truck. So.
Oh, okay, so now we can flip it up and down the hard. Let me make sure I'm extra aggressive to make sure, Logan ain't just trying to get me up out of the shop now. Okay, we good? Okay, yeah, we good. Bright white lights now. Y'all get it now. Okay, Logan got it together. Appreciate it, Logan. We got him in the other little side visor thing, too, the little vanity joint. Come on now. We got it together now, Dave. Did we get it? Go ahead and show him, brother. Be gentle now, because you know that thing flew off last time I did that. Go ahead and open it up. There you go. Come on, man. Bright whites everywhere, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Get up there, top of the mook, man. Big bright whites and all that, man. What's happening with your champion? How you been doing, man? Good. Come on, man. Look at that. He rolled right over the thing. Come on. Come on, man. That's called legendary.com. Look at that, man. Let me get over in the front, man. You see how that thing looking? Come on now. Yeah. Look at that. Look, he's sitting up chunky in that thing, man. Look at the headlights, man. Look at the stance. Like, I'm walking back extra fast. Hold on. Let me get a little jog with it, though. Whoa. Look at the wheels poking out the front of the mook and all that, man. Come on, baby. Look at this. Legendary. You see that? Legendary, man. Come on. Say legendary one more time
Legendary.
for me. Come on, man. Go ahead, brother. Go ahead and take it out, do your thing, live your life, brother. It's a blessing, man. Let's get a full understanding. Nigga Duran Reeves, he's sitting there looking like that with the new bright white LED headlights, HID bulbs and all that stuff, man. The same thing in the back, same thing on the fog lights, same thing on the interior, man. Big blessing of a life, man. Let's get in that car and go. All right, G-Squad, so there y'all go, baby. We are back in the Ram Reezy, man. The headlights and all that stuff are officially complete. Y'all see that thing? Come on, man. Is it looking top of the book? Of course it is, man. The legendary dude doing legendary things, because I got legendary G-Squad subscribers supporting the movement every step of the way. And shout out to all the G-Squad subscribers who ain't skipped no ass while watching this video. I greatly appreciate y'all, and I love y'all very much, man. But without further ado, man, this video is over. Let me open my sunroof, man. Blessings, man. Come on, man. I'm just excited. I'm sorry, G-Squad. I'm sorry, man. But this video is over, man. It's done. Nothing really else to talk about, man. Like I told y'all, G-Squad, I love y'all to death very much, man. I hope y'all had a blessed day. And I appreciate y'all watching the video, staying tuned and in the loop, subscribe and hitting the bell and doing all that great stuff, man. I appreciate y'all so much. Words can't even express it, man. This is surreal for me to be living like this 100%, man. I remember just coming up here struggling to try to get the Hellcat finance or at least, and all that good stuff, man. And just trying to do that in the whole process. And then now I'm leaving our dealership and I'm sitting there like this and doing voluntarily mods and all this other stuff. I remember when I just had the black on black Hellcat and I didn't even want that color, but I was just so thirsty and excited to get the Hellcat. I just took whatever I can get, man. I said, you know what, I'm gonna take it from there. And that was a real dream come true. So to be sitting there with the Hellcat, and then to have the Ram outside, to have my woman's Jeep there, to have us a new house, to be doing all these legendary things, going out there with the Detroit Police Department, doing all this stuff, man. Supposed to be doing some more events coming real soon. Some subscribers hit me up, G-Squad subscribers hit me up with different events and new events that they want to do in different cities and states, man. So, if you want me to come to your city and state, you want to talk to the people, man, because I got a lot more events coming up soon. A lot of inquiries been happening, so we're gonna see which ones actually fall through and actually happen. But Corey Barrett 35 at yahoo.com for any of the subscribers who want me to come out and talk to the people and do anything like that, and just mingle with the people and just be out there, doing how I do. Y'all know how I am. You know what I'm saying? If you want me to be there and do that, you want me to bring the Ram Reezer, you want me to bring the Hellkeezy, let me know. DM me Corey, or email me CoreyBarrett35 at yahoo.com, and then I can definitely make that happen. We can negotiate prices and all the other stuff, scheduling and times and all stuff, man. But without further ado, man, this video is over. It's done. I'll holler at y'all next video, man. Tall Guy Car Reviews, man. Living a big, blessed life, man. I'll holler at y'all in the next one, baby.